So I'm going to show off here what I'm working on. Basically, my wife, as our Halloween costume, she decided to go as the TARDIS because I was going as Doctor Who. So as part of that, I thought, okay, I'll make a little hat for you, and it's going to be a TARDIS light hat. So first off, I fired up my. I've got a little. This is just an AT. This is a Mega 2560. I don't know if you can focus there. Hang on. Arduino Mega 2560, and this is it just running the default sort of blink, or sorry, the fade program that comes with the Arduino, and it just didn't really work for what I was doing. It's a little too slow. Anyone who's seen Doctor Who knows that the TARDIS blinks just a little bit faster than that. So what I've done here is this is actually an Arduino, it's sort of a knockoff Arduino. It's a Nano. That's from OSEP is the company. And they're fairly inexpensive. I had this one kind of hanging around. Thought, okay, this is about the right size for doing something small with a hat. And you can see here it's just running off of standard 9-volt power, wired into the 3v3. I don't know if you can actually make that out. The 3v3 and ground on that side of the Arduino. And the reason I like this particular, the Nano here, is that it has a built-in USB port for transferring the sketches. A lot of other smaller boards actually have to have a separate FTDI cable or FTDI breakout with a chip on it, the whole 9 yards, and it's just kind of a pain in the butt. It doesn't always work. So I put this together here. I also have a white LED because the blue is just what I had on hand. White is actually the color of the Doctor Who light. And I have modified the sketch. I'll go ahead and press this down so it contacts the power. Now I've got to... there's the problem I have with this board is it actually has a built-in power LED that I'm going to have to cover up for the hat, but pretty much rewrote the program a little bit. Same basic application, or same basic program, except now it has about a half a second pause when it gets fully bright and a half a second pause when it gets fully dark. And obviously it goes darker and lighter at a different interval. So you can see the difference between the two here. So, alright, so the next step is I got to get this actually into a hat. So, more when that comes.